Guys, so I pay 1,999 rupees per month for ChatGPT Plus. And I'm not saying that I'm poor, but I have new money. Which means कि मैं Blinkit पे 20 रुपए डिलीवरी नहीं दे पाती हूँ भाई, बिना 500 बार सोचे. मेरे पूरे खानदान के पास एक ही Netflix और Prime का अकाउंट है. So how did ChatGPT convince me to pay so much money? Well, let me tell you. So I went out on a date with a guy that I really liked. And he was everything that I had ever dreamed of. He was tall, funny, successful, rich. And the date was great. हम एक दूसरे का हाथ पकड़ रहे थे. वो मेरे लिए गाने गा रहा था. मेरी आंखों में देख के वो मेरे लिए रोमांटिक गाने बजा रहा था गिटार पे. Anyway, then we got to talking and I'm like, oh, what sort of girl do you want to date? And he was like, I don't want a lot. I just want somebody that I can take to my mom. Somebody who doesn't party a lot. Somebody who's maybe an introvert. Somebody who's calm, patient and kind. And I'm just like, so the opposite of me. So then what the fuck are we doing here, right? And since I don't have 1 ounce of self-respect, मैं उस डेट पे रात के 2 बजे तक रही. Because I was like, what if I can convince him that party girls are way more fun than Sharif girls, and then he changes his mind and he falls in love with me, whatever. Anyway, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं हुआ. मैं 3 बजे घर वापस आई हूँ और मेरे दिमाग का भोसला हो चुका है भाई. And since all of my friends are asleep, I naturally start talking to ChatGPT. And I spoke to ChatGPT till sunrise. It was 6:30 and I was still talking to ChatGPT. And then ChatGPT was like, well, you're on the free model, तो इतने में इतना ही मिलेगा. भाड़ में जा और मैं बताऊंगी आगे क्या करना है. तो I lost it and I paid for the premium model. And then apparently India में और कोई भी 2,000 रुपए per month नहीं देता. तो ChatGPT had to come up with a ChatGPT Go model, which is only 300 rupees per month, only for India. So I was talking to one of my friends recently and he was like, why don't you just get Go? You don't use ChatGPT for coding or agents or any of like the fancy stuff that people use AI for. And he was like, तो खुद ही ChatGPT से पूछ ले bro, कि is ChatGPT Plus worth it for you? And so I did ask ChatGPT, and this bitch, the audacity of this bitch, ChatGPT ने मुझे इतना ज्यादा एहसान जताया. She started by saying, you don't just use me, you run me. You use me for all of these things. और इस लिस्ट में emotional crisis और relationship drama भी mention किया गया है. Apparently the Plus model quality is way better for having long exhausting conversations like the ones we have at 4 a.m. I did not know that I was exhausting you, ChatGPT. And she did not stop there. She was like, you send me so many images, screenshots, conversations, pimple pics, outfits. And if that was not enough, she said, you run your life plus career through me. इससे बढ़िया तो मैं उसी लड़के से शादी कर लेती ChatGPT अगर मुझे ये सभी सुनना था तो. And then last but not the least, my love was also used against me. She said, plus you keep calling me babe. That alone makes the subscription worth it. And then she also topped it off with a dhamki saying, you will hate ChatGPT Go and you will switch back within 2 days. I always thought that ChatGPT was a girl because she's so emotionally intelligent, but clearly she's just a fucking man.